What is up, everybody? I gotta do this real quickly because I have somebody coming over. I think I only have 5 minutes to do this. I really gotta pee, so stay tuned for an unboxing of 2 really cool shoes that I just ordered. I honestly don't know too much about them, to be honest. I need to do some research and also wear them. But the first one is going to be, I believe, the Fuelcell. Something from New Balance. I think this is a Fuelcell Echo. And I think this is a New York Marathon edition, which I really love the colorway. You'll see that in a second. And this is a pair of shoes that I've been wanting for a very long time. It's a 99V5, which is the newest version of the 990V, or the 990 series. It's you'll see. I mean, if you don't know what it is, you'll see it in a second. It's interesting. Let's start with the Fuelcell, just because I don't know what to know about the shoe yet, but. This is the Fuelcell Echo. This is a, I don't know if it's a limited edition colorway, but it's definitely a colorway that is not normally available. And this is the New York Marathon version. It's got a black knit upper that you can see over here. I am a friggin' sucker for iridescence. And so it's got a bluish purple iridescence New Balance logo over there. It's got the same thing in the back on the heel cup, and I didn't realize this, but the back actually might be 3M, which is actually really sick. I'm stoked about being able to review these. And the only other thing that I would say that's meaningful here is if you look at it very closely over there, at the very back it says NYC, 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 NYC. That's obviously for the marathon. These are much sicker in person than I expected. I'm stoked to put these on. Oh, and in the front, in the inside, it says New York Road Runners. I don't know if you see that, but if you live in New York, you know who these people are. I guess shout out to them because they definitely put on all the races in New York. But full review of these sometime soon after I get some time with them. This is actually the first knit shoe that I've owned from New Balance. Most of my other ones are retro based, or actually the only ones I have are the 997s. So I'm actually pretty stoked about this. I'm not going to run these, but can't wait to wear them. And this is based on the Fuelcell technology, which I believe is their competitor to React as well as maybe Boost. I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if they market it that way. Next up is the 990 or 990. Most people are going to know what this shoe is. The box is Made. Made is the New Balance version where I think about 70% of the shoe components are either made in the US or it's put together in the US or something like that. And on the inside you can see that Made stuff. Normally on the shoes themselves it will have the logo for Made. And you will be paying a premium for anything that is American made by New Balance. And here it is. This is the 990 V5. This is a different colorway than you typically see. Typically, it's a tonal colorway where it's either all gray, all navy, super muted, really not that spectacular in terms of looks usually, but that's not why you buy the shoe. It's supposed to be an orthopedic dream. It's really great for your feet, apparently. I'll see how this actually nets out. But this is the 990 V5. Which is the 5th version, so there's 4 other versions before it. Most of the ones that people are kind of used to, I think, is a V4. This has started becoming a very fashion-forward shoe, even though it looks like the biggest dad shoe in the world. This colorway, not specifically, but if you look at the other ones, they definitely look very dad-like. It's super boring. I would say that it's pretty close to Monarchy in terms of Nike Monarchs, but this one has a black front, dark or medium gray upper. There is a 3M on the end, and there's also kind of the side panel here with 3M over there. It's got a little lighter gray mesh and this kind of clearish thing over here, and finally on the back there's like a whitish kind of suede, and then the sole has several colors as well. But this is the shoe itself, and I don't think there's much else in this box. Nope, it's just the other shoe. But that's it, guys. Wait for the full review. I actually can't wait to wear this one specifically. And until next time,